Wondering where your save files are for Hitman Codename 47 from AnkerGames? Let's take a quick look. First, make sure you launch Hitman Codename 47 and create at least one save. This ensures the game generates the save folder on your PC. All games on AnkerGames store their save files locally. This means your progress in Hitman Codename 47 is safe, even if you reinstall the game or the launcher. I'll show you exactly where the save files for Hitman Codename 47 are stored. These paths are only for games from AnkerGames. Saves from other sources might be in different locations. You can easily back up your Hitman Codename 47 save files by copying the folder. Store it on a USB or cloud drive, and you can restore it anytime. And that's it. Hitman Codename 47 saves from AnkerGames are local, safe, and easy to manage. Follow for more tips on getting the most out of your games.